How's it going, guys? I'm Soul Survivor 610 coming back at you with another video. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a review as well as an on-foot look at the Smoke Gray Retro ones. Before I get into the shoe, just gotta say, I'm super blessed to have this pair. If you watched my Fear of God video, you know that I am not lucky at all on Sneakers app. In fact, the Fear of Gods, the Triple Blacks, were my first purchase from the Sneakers app. I got really lucky. Since then, I've taken probably like 10 to 15 L's, but you know, got lucky again and got blessed with the Smoke Gray ones. I wasn't even gonna try for these because I feel like with most people, it just didn't look like a good colorway. It was kind of random, was not expecting it at all. It's not like your normal like bread style or Chicago style color blocking, so I wasn't really excited about this release, but I just figured, you know, why not? So I tried for it and I actually got them. But now that I have them in hand and I can actually see the quality and have them up close, they're starting to grow on me a little bit. So these shoes retail for $170, you know, the normal Retro One price. Just comes in your normal Retro One box. I did lace these up already just so you guys can see, but quick glance, these are the Smoke Gray ones. I'm gonna be honest, kind of looks like a Retro One mid colorway to me. I feel like this colorway would definitely have done better on a mid than a high, but who am I to judge? They also come with another pair of white laces, so that was kind of a nice touch that they added in. I'm gonna keep the black laces in there just because I believe it adds a little contrast to the shoe, but you know, let's get into these. Definitely think that this colorway would have looked better on a mid. I am surprised that this didn't just release as a mid. Like I said, you know, this kind of was dropped on us. Nobody really expected it. You know, a lot of people were kind of making comparisons to these and the Union LAs because the whole bottom shoe is one colorway and then the top half seems to be kind of like another colorway, and then you know, with the stitching in the back, it's just, it's a whole mess. But, you know, a lot of people regard these as like the poor man's Unions. It kind of is like a completely different colorway to me. I understand, you know, the comparisons to the Union LAs, but, you know, the top half and the second half are completely different colorways from anything Union has done. It's just, it kind of looks similar. So let's get into the details and the materials and everything that they did on this shoe. So, you know, you have your normal white leather upper. I was actually very surprised at the quality of the white leather on these shoes. I was seriously expecting like the Court Purple 2.0s where the leather just sucked, and if you just look at them too hard, they crease. But you know, the leather on these it's okay. You know, you got like on the one end of the spectrum, you got like the sails and the shattered backboard type of like material, and then you have the Court 2.0s and you know, Retro 5 leather material. And this is kind of in the middle. It's not really smooth leather because there's creases in it, but then at the same time, it's not really tumbled leather because it's just not that nice of quality. The thing that I was actually really surprised about was the quality on the suede. So when I expect suede from a GR Jordan, I expect it to be crap, you know, just the bare minimum. But the suede's really good. Like if you actually like rub the suede hard enough, it literally looks like dandruff is coming off the shoe. And that's how you can tell that that is like some A1 material there. And the suede is all over the shoe. I didn't even know it until I got these in hand, but the black swoosh is actually suede too. I thought that that was just leather. The collar right here is also suede, so there's a lot of suede on this shoe. I definitely think it's an interesting concept. So when we move up and we go to the red leather right here, it's not really the best kind of leather, but then again, it's not really on like an important place on the shoe where it would crease or get destroyed, so doesn't really matter. The one thing I like that Jordan did do is that they took away that stupid like leather tag that they put on the Retro ones. I have no idea why they did that. Like, I know it came on the Gatorades because I have almost all the Gatorades and they all have like the leather tabs right here, and it looks so dumb. I'm so happy they went back to this fabric or whatever material it is that they put on the tongue now, but it just looks so much better. So I'm actually happy I got these shoes. Like I said, they're growing on me. The colorway's growing on me a little bit. I'm more happy with the quality than the colorway, if that makes sense. I don't think this is an ugly shoe. I'm just feel kind of happy to have, you know, a pair of Jordans that Jordan actually seemed to put a little bit of effort into. So just like most Retro One colorways, they sold out instantly, and now they are reselling for a pretty good profit. Last time I checked, it's about $80 to $100 over resale, so you can make a little bit of money off these if you grabbed your pair. My suggestion, definitely hold on to them. I don't think this is like a classic colorway or a timeless colorway. I do think it is going to be like a forgotten Jordan, but I believe that the quality on these will be enough to make the resale skyrocket once these become a little bit harder to grab in the upcoming months. So overall, happy I got this shoe. Not ecstatic. I really don't think there's anything too special about this pair in particular, but that being said, there's not really anything that makes this a bad colorway or a bad pair. I think I just need some more time to check these out. I think I need to wear them a couple times to get used to them, and I think that they will definitely grow on me, but these are the Smoke Gray Retro ones. So now I'm going to give you guys a better look at this shoe, some up-close shots, 360 it so you can see all the angles, and then right after that I'm going to do an on foot for you guys so you can see what these look like and see if you maybe want to buy a pair. Okay guys, so that is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for watching the whole thing. Please leave a like, leave a comment. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Really trying to hit that 100 subscriber milestone. But leave a comment and let me know what you guys think of the Smoke Gray Retro ones. What is your opinion on these? And as always, thank you guys for watching.